Jock Sinclair from Podiatrist Professionals here today. What we're going to have a quick discussion about is arch rolling. Arch rolling is a really effective treatment method for typically plantar fascial pain. Now, plantar fasciitis affects 10% of the world's population, so it is a very common condition. Now, as we are walking around in our day-to-day lives, what typically happens is our plantar fascia starts to separate like that. Now then, as we sleep at night, what then happens is it retracts back in through the foot, and then as we step up in the first few steps in the morning, it just separates. And that's why typically one of the main signs of plantar fasciitis is morning pain. So what this is going to do is help out that. Now what we're going to look to do is first of all take it out of the box and then place it on the ground. Very first thing you do in the morning before you take any kind of steps, place it on the ground. What we're going to look to do is place our heel on it, at the back of the heel, and we're going to roll our heel all the way forward. Now the pressure you want to apply is not just a simple light pressure like that, it's also not a jarring pressure trying to aggravate the pathology either. All it is just a light sort of slightly uncomfortable massage is the way I describe it. And then if your pathology or your pain is more at the back of your heel, then just more locate the amount of time you spend at the back of the heel, but then also just rolling all the way through the arch as well.
How long should you do it for, John?
You should do it for about 2 minutes. If you can do it for a little bit longer, but at least 2 minutes. And if your pain is on both feet, 2 minutes each leg. It's not 1 minute and then 1 minute, it's 2 minutes on each foot.
So what sort of results should we expect to see with our morning pain after this job?
Studies have found that if you're doing this on a daily routine, you'll see about a 30% decrease in pain doing this daily. It's for 2 minutes on each leg. What we have here now is for the evenings. So we have a frozen water bottle, very similar to what we were doing previously with the arch roller. What we're going to look to do is place it on the ground. Now, this is a really effective treatment method for just taking away some of the pain that you might experience from hopping up and down and putting a lot of pressure through your arch throughout the day. So if you are taking lots of steps, it's just a way in which we can just decrease that pain throughout the day and the trauma you cause throughout the day. The time period in which you should be applying this for is 20 minutes, and doing it preferably in the evening when you have a bit of time to be able to undertake this.